Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RSHN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I let you this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Been doing this one on a very routine basis. Did it yesterday, so that is where these green and red line annotations are coming from. And on that note, that brings about the first update that needs to be done, and this update is based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support, and that has actually played out perfectly today. Like I said, when there are resistances and broken, you want to see them act as support, so it was broken right there, and then on two separate occasions, both there and there, you can see the bears did try to press the price back below there, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did a great job of holding support. So this is a great example that you could throw right into a textbook about kind of theory turning into reality. So ideally speaking, yeah, the price staying up above that 0029 area would be the best sign of strength. However, taking a step back, and actually before I do that, I'm just going to get rid of that line. Yeah, it pertains, but from a presentation standpoint, I want to try to keep this as clutter-free as possible. But from the big picture of things, and if you've watched the past videos, you know what I'm going to say with this, but I'm going to continue to talk about it because it truly is a great way to measure the overall health of things. But just keep watching that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So yeah, as long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control, any way you slice it. What about levels of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are currently at, pretty straightforward, right up there at, 0036. You can see on a couple occasions today, the price tried to break up through that level and couldn't quite do it. So that's where the sellers are hanging out, and that'll be public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, just keep on building higher bases, keep on putting in those higher lows, stay above that purple line, and everything else will continue to take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So nice looking trend here, and yeah, just keep on trending, stay up above that purple line. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.